Everyone, today's my topic is immunity. So let's start the topic. Immunity is a general ability of ourselves to resist any infectious agent or disease. It has various functions which protect us from infectious agents surrounding ourselves. It acts as a protector for us. Second is it acts as a defense mechanism against infectious agent. It consists of two components, which is first component is immune cell. Immune cells are the cells which are involved in the process of immune response, and these immune cells are divided into two categories. First one is the cells which function normally and actively all the time. They are called non-stop cell. In these cells include natural killer cell, macrophage, which are continuously going through the foreign particles to in which encounter us. Second cell is specific cell. There are certain specific cell which act upon the response of the non-stop cell. That's examples are T cells, B cells, etc. Second component is protein. Now also proteins are categorized into two parts. One is non-stop proteins, which proteins are required all the time when our body encounter a foreign infectious agent. Second is specific proteins, which required only specific time when the non-stop cells provide some signals to the specific proteins to produce. In non-stop proteins, it includes complementary proteins, which is used in every time when the encounter of the foreign particle takes place in our body. Second is a specific protein, it includes antibody. Now let's start how the immune system, our body, act upon it when the foreign particles. Normally when our body exposed to some infectious agent, now, as we all know that we are living in surrounding environment where various infectious agents are moving, we cannot identify them, but our body are continuously encountering to the infectious agent. Then that time our non-stop cells, that are natural killer or macrophages cells, are enough to kill and make us immune against it. But at some time when new or unknown agents encounter or attack us, then the macrophages are able to kill the cells, but they keep the small part of the or protein or any other components of that infectious agent, and then they try to identify, they kept them and they conveyed these to the specific cells, that is T cells, and these T cells which ultimately act on specific proteins which produce antibody, and against specific antigen there is a specific antibody. These are the way by which our immune system work. Now immune system is composed of widely distributed cells, tissue, organ, protein. These are the components of the immune system. The function of the immune system is to recognize foreign substances and micromolecules or microorganism and act upon it, neutralize it or destroy it. Antigens are the substance which recognized as a foreign. These are the substance which provoke immune response. Antibodies are the specific proteins which produced by the proteins. The antigen causes specific cell to produce protein, that is called antibody. It bind to and inactivate a specific antigen. Thank you.